Take away human error and save in production time with the Spida Component Nailer. The Component Nailer with our tailor-made software gives you the ability to nail multiple nogs at different nog heights. It's very easy to operate with a similar screen-controlled process like the Wall Extruder, making it simple to use. Designed with safety in mind, the Component Nailer operates as a two-hand no tie-down system and has 3 axes, meaning there are 3 points of contact when clamping. Save on your footprint with the Component Nailer as it runs parallel to your Wall Extruder or raked Wall Extruder. We position it perfectly in your factory too, so you can load components onto the curved conveyor safely and efficiently. The Spida Component Nailer is the most versatile stud nog nailer on the market, making it the perfect addition for your pre-framed assembly workflow.